About this item: DisplayPort to VGA adapter, DisplayPort 1.2, HBR2, adapter connects a VGA display or projector supporting 2048x1152, 1920x1200 and 1920x1080, 1080p, at 60 Hz. EDID and DDC pass-through ensure compatibility between source and display. 3.9, 10 cm, attached cable compatibility. Active digital to analog converter supports DP or DP++ source W/standard DP connector, including workstations, desktops, AMD/NVIDIA, laptops, small form factor computers and docking stations. Connect to a primary or secondary display, connect a VGA monitor or projector, or add a second display to your workstation using this DP to VGA video adapter. Sleek and compact design makes it easy to travel to and from office or home. Screw locking VGA